Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate search engine optimization with SEMrush, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating an account on SEMrush if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Projects section on the dashboard. Click on the Create Project button to start a new project for your website. Enter your website URL and give your project a name that reflects its purpose. After creating the project, explore the different tools available within SEMrush. Start by using the Site Audit tool to analyze your website's current SEO health. Configure the audit by setting the crawl scope, choosing critical errors to focus on, and scheduling regular audits. Once completed, review the audit report for insights on potential issues. Next, utilize the Keyword Research tool to identify relevant keywords for your niche. Perform a keyword analysis by inputting seed keywords related to your business. Examine the keyword suggestions, searching for high volume and low competition keywords. Add the selected keywords to your keyword manager for easy tracking. Next, use the position tracking tool to monitor your website's rankings for the chosen keywords. Set up your tracking parameters by adding the target keywords and entering your website URL. Schedule regular updates to receive reports on your ranking changes over time. Now, navigate to the Backlink Audit tool to evaluate your website's link profile. Connect your Google Search Console account for comprehensive data on backlinks. Review the health of your backlinks and identify any toxic links that may harm your SEO. Utilize the Backlink Gap tool to analyze competitor backlinks and find potential link building opportunities. Transition to content optimization by using the Content Analyzer tool. Create a report on existing content performance by entering specific URLs. Identify which pieces of content need optimization to enhance search visibility. Use the on-page SEO checker for actionable recommendations based on the target keywords. Implement suggested changes to improve title tags, meta descriptions, and content structure. Leverage the social media tracker to monitor how your content performs across social platforms. Integrate social signals into your SEO strategy to enhance overall visibility. Set up regular reports using the SEMrush dashboard to keep track of all SEO activities. Customize your reports to focus on key metrics that matter most to your business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.